Welcome to our video series on UX design responsibilities based on an organization's UX maturity level. In our previous video, we explored the challenges and opportunities in medium UX level organizations. In this video, we will dive into the specific organizations with a high maturity level. If you haven't gone through the previous video, the link to the same is there in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Hi friends, this is Anil and welcome to VR AR. If you have any questions or doubts, do mention it in the comment section. We'll be happy to address them. As we already mentioned, all companies do not approach UX design in the same way, and the level of UX maturity can vary greatly from one organization to another. Let's take a closer look at the UX design responsibilities within the organization that has a higher level of UX maturity. One defining characteristic of these organizations is their strong focus on design. They recognize that design is not just about making things visually appealing, but also about creating meaningful and seamless experience for the users. They invest in building a design-driven culture where everyone from the product managers to developers understand and appreciate the role of UX in creating successful products. Stakeholders collaborate closely with designers to find the right balance between technical possibilities, business objectives, and user expectations. User research and feedback play a vital role in shaping the design process in these organizations. They understand that making assumptions about user needs and preferences can lead to suboptimal solutions. Therefore, they invest time and resources in conducting user research to gain insight into users' behavior, motivations, and pain points. This data-driven approach allows them to make informed decisions that are grounded in user needs and expectations. Furthermore, in an organization with high design maturity, a design hierarchy is established to facilitate effective decision making and collaboration throughout the design process. It ensures that design is not isolated but integrated across all levels of the organization. It promotes collaboration, aligns design with business goals, and prioritizes the needs and preferences of the users. By establishing this hierarchy, organizations can effectively leverage design to create impactful and user-centered products and services. Diversity and inclusivity are embraced. These organizations understand that a diverse team brings various perspectives, leading to more inclusive and innovative design solutions. Continuous learning and professional development are encouraged. High UX maturity organizations invest in training programs, workshops, and conferences to keep their team updated with the latest industry trends and best practices. When transitioning to a high UX maturity organization, it's important to understand that it may take some time to adapt to their specific process and way of working. The organization may have established design systems, guidelines, and workflows that you may need to get familiarized with. It may also mean that there are limitations in terms of making drastic design changes or adding your own unique perspectives. Let's share some of them. Slow decision making. In organizations with high UX maturity, design decisions take more time due to various factors that the UX team has to consider. The team must carefully evaluate aspects such as overall consistency, different scenarios, feasibility, and budget implications of implementing a design. It's important to note that these factors can vary depending on the size and complexity of the product being developed. The design making process is driven by data, user research, and testing, which requires thorough analysis and consensus building. While this approach improves the quality of design decisions, it can slow down the overall design development process. If you are transitioning from another maturity level organization, you will definitely feel the inertia. Well-defined process. Having a well-defined process is a hallmark of a high UX maturity organization. They typically have established workflows and process in place, which can make it challenging for individuals who wish to introduce new idea or implement changes. This can be especially true when comparing them to a low or medium UX maturity organization. Design process. When creating designs within a high maturity organization, it is important to ensure that they align with the organization's established design system or adhere to the branding guidelines specific to the brand. This means that the design should stay within the boundaries and guidelines. The process of updating these may take or require a significant amount of time. Overall, by understanding and navigating these considerations, you can effectively integrate into the organization and contribute to its success. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Cheers.